On this video, I will show you how to publish the project created previously on the Azure cloud. So we just go to build and publish tic-tac-toe demo. In here we configure the properties for the server. So the server name, the site name, the username and password. Actually, username and password is generated by the Visual Studio. Also the destination URL. We validate the connection. Then we change the settings. We can configure either debug or release execution, and then the target of the DNX version. The DNX is the .NET execution environment. Next we just preview. Preview will take a little while, and we'll determine which packages are required, which models are required on the Azure. Then we just click on publish. This process will take several minutes to execute. After the publish is finished, the Visual Studio will open the site. We haven't seen this here, but the site takes a little while to open the first time because it's compiling all the pages and resources. The site is completely exactly the same as the local version, but the database has no records. However, despite having no data on the database, the publishing process already created a database structure by applying the migrations defined on the project. So as long as you keep the migrations correct, the publishing process is very smooth and automatic. In this page, we are registering a new user, and when we do it, it just works. This proves that the database is created on Azure because the user is registered on Azure and not on the local database. Now let's create a second user, A2 user, and then just log off this user, and then log in again with the first user, just to prove that login also works. Now let's analyze what was really created on Azure using the Azure dashboard. Okay. On Azure dashboard, we can check that on the resource group there's the group that we created on Visual Studio, in this case tic-tac-toe demo. Within the group, we have access to all the resources created by the Visual Studio, namely the SQL server, the database, the plan, and the website. Let's analyze the website just by clicking on it. In here we have the URL, and we can check the application settings. In here we have access to the connection strings of the databases, and we have a default connection. As we remember, the name of the connection is the same as the local database. In here the property points to the Azure SQL database, where the local database points to the local version of the database. So important to keep the same name for both databases. If project is executed within Azure, Azure database will be used. If it is executed locally, local database will be used.